Before disassembly, please have a copy of the Mark 708 Installation and Maintenance Manual available as a reference. First, make sure that the actuator is set to 20 psi, as it is reverse acting. If it were direct, you would not have to do this and you would dismantle as normal. To take off the bolts of the stem, setting the valve back at an angle to reach the stem may be more convenient. Do not disconnect the upper joint, the actuator stem connector joint, as only the bottom two nuts of the stem plug need to be removed. Tighten the two nuts back down. The stem should be able to move up and down with little resistance at this point. Next, disconnect the 4 bolts from the body of the valve. After this task is complete, the valve bonnet can now be removed from the body. Now unscrew the 2 nuts from the stem and remove them. The stem should now be easily removable. The seat should now be able to be removed. To reassemble, first, firmly remount the 2 nuts on the stem and reconnect the stem to the stem connector. Once the stem will not move anymore, loosen the nuts again and tighten them one at a time back to the connector. Assuming no additional adjustments were made to the seat preload, the air source can now be disconnected. Now connected to the seat, attempt to center the valve as best as possible. Set a torque wrench to the valve as shown in the Installation and Maintenance Manual, and retighten the bolt on the bottom of the body, being sure to cross torque. Congratulations, the quick change is now complete.